Hello friends, welcome back to the Pharma Junction. So as you may know, the ESI Pharmacist 2023 vacancies have been announced. So today we will be looking at the ESIC Pharmacist 2019 question paper with answers. Let's get started. So सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन है बिस्मिथ सब कार्बोनेट इज एन diuretic and electrolyte replenished, adsorbent and astringent, saline, laxative, antacids and laxative. So the right answer is adsorbent and astringent. Next, phylloquinone is another name for. The right answer is vitamin K. Vitamin D, another name is cholecalciferol, vitamin A retinol and vitamin E tocopherol. So right answer है हमारा यहाँ पर vitamin K. Next, amino acids is considered as lipotropic factors. The right answer is methionine. Which of the following is plant growth regulator? Gibberellin. Melanin is derived from which of the following amino acid? The right answer is tyrosine. Next, the condensation of chromatin and shrinkage of nucleus to cell death termed as pycnosis. Natural alkaloid used in the treatment of gout is colchicine. Standard for surgical dressing are given in Schedule F2. Classification of bacteria as heterotrophs is based on energy sources. Hydrogen peroxide assay is performed by redox titration. When an anesthetic is injected in subarachnoid space termed as spinal anesthesia. Salt used in X-ray studies of GIT is barium sulfate. Chromones are isomeric with coumarins. The phase in mitosis in which complementary 46 chromosomes is visible under the microscope. The phase is prophase. Which of the following is also called the milk of magnesia? The right answer is magnesium hydroxide. Which of the following is not a cell-derived mediator of inflammation? The right answer is kinins. Kinins are plasma-derived mediators of inflammation. Clinical obesity is a condition in which BMI range is. The right answer is 30 to 40 kilogram per meter square. Valerianone is an active constituent present in Chatamansi. The price fixed by the Indian government for scheduled formulations according to the provision of DPCU is called the ceiling price. The deficiency of the activity of sphingomyelinase enzymes lead to Niemann-Pick disease. The channel involving retailers and wholesalers is. The right answer is the typical channel. Which of the following is a plasma kinin? Kali. In the presence of food, absorption of drugs such as ampicillin reduces. A drug that promotes diuresis by antagonizing the action of aldosterone. The right answer is spironolactone. Heteroatom present in phenothiazine are sulfur and nitrogen. The procedure of removing ovaries is called oophorectomy. Which of the following is a H2 receptor antagonist? The right answer is cimetidine. Hemostatic forceps are also known as artery forceps. Anaphylactic allergy falls under which of the following type of hypersensitivity? The right answer is type 1. Etoposide is a semi-synthetic derivative of plant glycoside. A pharmacy profession should be observant. Endothelium is a squamous epithelium associated with lymph vessels. Captopril is a angiotensin converting enzyme inhibitor. Which of the following is an Ayurvedic preparation containing self-generated alcohol? The right answer is Asava. mRNA is synthesized in the nucleus as heterogeneous nuclear RNA. Which of the following is a macrolide antibiotic? Erythromycin. RACE. Erythromycin. The intake of minimum of 4 to 10 drugs at the same time on a regular therapeutic basis is called polypharmacy. Pilocarpine is the alkaloid containing imidazole. Structured evaluation of patient medication for improving health outcomes of the patient is termed as medication review. The nutrient antioxidant present in berries. The right answer is ellagic acid. Which of the following is a quinolone containing urinary tract anti-infective agent? The right answer is ciprofloxacin. Which of the following serve as one of the laboratory for producing oral polio vaccines? The right answer is Pasteur Institute of India, Coonoor. The condition of weight loss and muscle atrophy in severe chronic illness is called? The right answer is cachexia. Non-competitive enzyme inhibitor is acetazolamide. The price that equates market supply and market demand are called the market clearing price. Next, myrrh contains gum. The committee formed in hospital settings that are responsible for overall pharmaceutical care termed by? The right answer is DTC, Drug and Therapeutic Committee. The active metabolite of imipramine, the right answer is desipramine. The protein DNA complex in the higher organism is called chromatin. This one is protein and this one is DNA. Who among the following is referred to as the father of Indian pharmacy? The right answer is M.L. Shroff. So these are first 50 MCQs. We will review the next 50 MCQs in the next video. So stay tuned. Thank you very much for watching this video.